and this is part 3 of my behind the scenes kitchen refresh. Backstory is I went out of town, I came home and I was like, my kitchen's a mess. We need to restock just a little bit, but I wasn't quite ready to call out Instacart to go to Costco and Target and H-E-B and wherever else. So I started cleaning out the kitchen. So this is what I generally do. I always have to keep my countertops clean, sparkly clean. I cannot stand countertops that look murky or have sticky stuff on it. But the biggest part of my kitchen is my pantry, as you see. I love my pantry. I had it redesigned during COVID because my pantry was just a hot mess. I mean, my son would like climb the cabinets, the counters, climb here, climb there, high up in the shelves, and next thing I know, my shelves were warping. So I ripped everything out and just redid my entire pantry, and I love it. And I love all the organizational things I have, all the clear plastic containers, cereal dispensers, the coffee area, the places for me to put my canned goods, and put my little drinks and snacks. It's perfect because when I walk into this pantry, I can see everything that I have in my home. So I am no longer overspending or overbuying, whatever it is, purchasing more things than I need. You know, I hate walking into the pantry and I swear I'm in a store and I said, okay, I'm in the grocery store and I'm not sure if I have mustard. And because I can't see them because I couldn't see them in my old pantry because everything was hidden.
Grass?
But in this pantry I could see it. So I'm not like coming home with more mustard and then I come to find out I have 3 bottles of mustard on the shelf.
Okay.
You know, that's a lot of money that you lose. It's just sitting on the shelf. So I'm no longer buying more than what I need. Therefore, I'm saving money because I'm not overspending. So it's just very easy. So it saves you money. But my pantry is the life of the family. I mean, it is the force. It has everything that we need and additional back stock that I can also save and keep up with and monitor. So, but this is my behind the scenes refresh of my kitchen / pantry. So just sit back and watch, and you can see my 2 dishwashers, and of course I have 2 sets of trash drawers. So I have a total of 4 trash cans in my kitchen. That is always handy when you have children because I swear they're always junking up stuff, right? Throwing out things. But I love my kitchen. I love to cook. I love to entertain in it. It is the focal point of my family. Don't you love this coffee setup? It's perfect, totally perfect. Ignore that last scene with the drawer. I'll straighten that out later. My son likes to go in there and do it. One little thing I like about my kitchen are the floating shelves you see on the wall. That's actually reclaimed wood that I found. Well, actually, my designer helped me find. And she brought it in, they cut it, they attached it to the wall, as you see, and I just stained it, and I had lights installed. I love reclaimed wood. Dishwasher number 1. Then we go to dishwasher number 2. Anyways, this is the behind the scene refresh of my kitchen, my favorite room in the house. This is the heart of my home. I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you please follow me on all my social media channels. You can find me on Instagram at Jeannie Jacobs. You can find me on Pinterest at Just Jeannie and Facebook as Just Jeannie. Also, check out my blog and subscribe to my newsletter at justjeanniejacobs.com. And also, you know you have to follow me, of course, or subscribe, rather, to my channel on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel, please.